There's no way this isn't the best SEO tool you can get for $15 a month. It's crazy, guys. So not only have they made this look exceptional, obviously these guys are designers, so they know what they're doing, but now we have AI visibility, we have AEO inside of Clicks.so, which is crazy. So we're going to take a look at that first. So the first thing we see is we have a full AI visibility report, which is insane. Again, that you get this for the same price of a normal Clicks.so subscription. It's just included. So we can take a look at all the different citations of all the different LLMs, the AI overview versus AI mode for Google, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. It gives you a little score so you know more or less how you're doing, how likely you are to show up in all these different LLMs, and then what's working and what's holding you back. And this is super interesting because it basically does this full analysis of how your website is doing in terms of LLM visibility. And it's great. It gives you an overview of, you have a bunch of user reviews. This is great. Third-party signals is great. Perplexity is correctly citing your website. And here's what's holding you back, right? Limited ChatGPT visibility. We're seeing that we're rarely coming up from ChatGPT. It can be confusing based on the category, right? There's a fitness app versus general business tools. And then limited nutrition meals. So this is a website that actually is a fitness tracker. Now, the greatest thing of this is that they give you a full breakdown of how you can improve, right? So we want to enhance the ChatGPT authority signals. So against all these different competitors. So we want to develop best workout apps roundup inclusion strategy. So super interesting how it knows what to recommend based on that score. So then expand structured data. I know for a fact these guys don't have great structured data, so that's a great find. Develop a fitness content hub. They definitely can do that. Strengthen the category positioning, expand feature documentation, and then it gives you a little keyword footprint of all your keywords. Again, guys, this is included amongst all the different tools, right? We have the full backlink tool where we can see exactly what backlinks we're getting from where. We have this full competitor breakdown. We can also then explore our competitors. It's a full SEO tool that we can take a look at. And at the same time, we also have this new AI visibility reports and prompt tracking, right? So this is insane for AEO. It's really, really interesting to know how things are being ranked. And so we can add a specific prompt here. I added a few of these here. And again, we can take a look depending on the LLM. So ChatGPT, we can see we're not coming up for things that were coming up in the Google AI overview. So interesting that we need to do some work over there. Again, these keywords are coming up. And I think Perplexity is where these guys are ranking the best, or they're mentioned, and they're position 1 in terms of the URL links inside of Perplexity, right? So for Perplexity, these guys are the best result for this keyword, and then in the top results for all of these other keywords. So really neat that they've added all these AI visibility tools, and it's just included. Again, it's just included in everything else. Again, this was the competitor report I wanted to pull up before. I can see their traffic, their keywords. I can see everything. And SEO is changing. SEO has been changing for a long time. AEO is here now. So if you guys are interested in having a great SEO tool, AEO tool, I highly recommend you check out Clicks.so. Again, I still don't understand how these guys haven't raised their prices yet. You get, again, for $15 instead of $250. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. So highly recommend you guys check it out and let me know what you guys think. See you guys in the next